Oscar, I can't running too much here in the gallery. Don't have an outlet for the smoke, believe it or not. But here's your bike, man. It's just unbelievable. Everything is in immaculate condition. The mileage 2395. Title indicates less. Brand new seats, man. Kid you not. That's your bike, brother. Look at the chrome, man. Fog lights, brand spanking new. Head bonnet works. White wall, brand new. Look at the chrome. It's unbelievable. Look at the handwork here, the arrow. Look at the fringes, brand new. And your bonnet. All right, brother.